All right, y'all. I just want to thank y'all for tuning back into another video. So I'm not gonna do too much talking. So basically, today's video is just gonna be a small POV of the 300. You know how I look inside. Well, y'all know how I look inside. But like driving wise, I got a couple tunnels for y'all. Actually, got a tunnel down the street. So we're gonna make sure we hit the tunnel. Yeah, we're gonna get right into it. Let me know if y'all want to see, because I think these are 4-inch exhaust tips. Let me know if I should upgrade to the 5. I like these, but I think the 5 bring out that back end a little more aggressive. I want the 5-inch tips to poke. I'm probably get them black. But yeah, y'all let me know. Okay, whatever that was. Y'all let me know if I should upgrade to the 5-inch tips. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be much louder. It's already loud as it is. But y'all, you know, let me know if I should upgrade. Let's get right into the video, man. So turn it off. Turn this down. That up. All right. Yeah, like I said, not too much to explain, but I got a couple, you digs. I'm gonna go windows, turn that off. Yeah, that's cool. Drive. Whoa. I know I can't be pulling off on no rocks like that. Good thing is I found a good spot to start recording this, because it's literally a tunnel right there. Oh God, that looks so bad. I'm not going out this way. Fuck that. Look at that shit. I mean, y'all might can't see it on camera, but I can clear as day see that. And the way my car is set up, I can't. Not with that. I took this motherfucker to the exhaust shop like 3 times, and 3 times to get this bitch removed from, like, it was fucking vibrating on the damn whatever down there. It was vibrating on something. So yeah, the hell you looking at, lady? This one bad too, but this one ain't as bad as the other one. It's not as bad as the other one, so take our time getting up out of here. Yes, sir. We got a tunnel coming up, y'all. Damn, he was flying. Y'all seen him? He was fucking flying. Tunnel action, y'all. Them downshifts be a motherfucker, man. I'm trying to think, is that the only tunnel I know? I think that's like the only tunnel in the air. I know another tunnel, but that road is fucked up over there. That road is a piece of shit. Yeah, that road is a piece of shit. Yes, sir. Big 300. Big 300. Hell yeah, y'all. You know, comment down below, man. Y'all really let me know, man, if I should upgrade to them. Snap. Crap. I'm bad. Something in my chest. Let me know if I should upgrade to them 5-inch tips. I should just start getting people reactions, y'all, because they just be like daydreaming when they pass my car. Either that or they be like, look at that piece of shit. Hey, man, it's all good. I ain't really tripping, man. All I know is I love it, so that's all that matter. Okay with the Magnum? y'all see the Magnum? Is that? Oh, and it's a Hemi, boy. Stop playing with him. Fuck it. We going on green. I'ma say this. Since I'm right here, I gotta make it over there before he make it. He got like a little ahead of me, but it's all good. We finna get him to watch this, y'all. Watch this. Watch this, y'all. Y'all think I could take him? Right here, from a dig. Oh, he got lucky. He got lucky. He got lucky that light turned green. Now I was gonna do that to him. I was gonna do that to it. Let me turn this bitch around somewhere though. Turn this motherfucker around real quick. Ugh. Nobody coming behind that back. We go. Hey, the top end speed with the Diablo tuner, bro. The top, like, even though I drag some shit from a dig, but like once it get to that top end speed, it just keep like the car shifting points is on point. I can't make this shit up, y'all. I'm telling y'all, like from like a dig, like while the car going, like the top end speed. I don't know why I seen lights, y'all. I got scared as hell. I got scared as hell, y'all. I don't want no tickets. But yeah, like the top end speed of this car, and it's not even like, I'm not even, like I said, I'm not even done building on this motherfucker yet. I still got roll these windows up. I still got like work that I'm still putting into this car. But got a couple months left of, you know, probably the summer. I'm gonna go ahead, probably not gonna end up doing performance mods until like the summer. But like, other than that, I'm gonna get the body ready. So the body gonna be done, and then next summer, that's when the big shit coming. I'm telling y'all, that's when you're gonna see a damn all-wheel Pro Charge, Super Charge, whatever I go with, all-wheel drive, bro. This bitch gonna be pulling. So I really want to do the pop tune, man. That shit sounds amazing. Like, my shit got a little, you know, here and there from time to time, but like, I want that shit like to be consistent. Like, I just want to let off and that motherfucker fa. That shit be sounding so good. I want it. I need it. I gotta have it. But like I said, I probably don't do it until like sometime next year. Like beginning of like soon as summer start rolling around again, cause y'all know, man, like when I had my Charger, like summer was just getting there and the body was done. Like the body was done on that motherfucker. I'll be in this bitch toying around though, man. Toying around. Find a parking lot, close this video out. You ain't hot? No? Okay. Y'all hear? I know y'all hear it back there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Stang room. Damn, I should do this parking lot right there since it's empty. Matter of fact, I still can. Oh, I'm not supposed to go in this way, but it's all good. We're gonna get in. We're gonna get right. We're gonna get right. And in some shade, we're gonna get right. We're gonna get right. Hold on, let me go on here. Turn that wheel so it can look good. All right, y'all. So that was basically a small POV. Bam, of the 300, the pools, the tunnel. Let me know if y'all want to see one downtown at night. Downtown POV at night. That shit will probably look good, and it'll sound good. POV downtown, Lower Wacker, straight tunnel action. Let me know if that's let me know if that's what y'all want to see at the big 300, man. I just want to, thank everybody for the support that you guys been giving me. It's really motivating me to keep going, keep building, and yeah, just to keep moving and building and to keep doing what I'm doing, man. I mean, I'm not saying I'm perfect at it, but like the more I do, the more I learn, the more I can spread my knowledge. So I really appreciate y'all for tuning in to the video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment. Please comment. Please comment. Please comment. Please like it. Share the video. Get it out there. Because I'm telling y'all, the more I get out there, the more motivation I get, the more I want to do stuff, the more I want to, show y'all what I can do, show y'all what I know. As y'all can see, look at the 300, man. Look at it. Just look at it. Look at it. It ain't even close to done. This is why I'm telling y'all, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Make sure y'all hit that like. Make sure y'all, do the whole 9. Because I'm telling y'all, it's going up, man. I'm telling y'all. This right here, this is only this. Y'all should have, y'all follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I got a before and after on how it looked before. This is how it look now. And it's still not even done to my liking yet. I still got stuff I want to do. But it's nice for what it is. It turned a lot of heads for what it is. But believe me when I say it, it's far from done, man. I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace.